Hello children. In the previous session, we have seen the introduction of Roman numerals and rules for writing numbers in Roman numerals. Today, we are going to see how to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Before we begin, let's recall what are the symbols used in Roman numerals? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. Next, let us see the rules. Rule of repetition, rule of addition and rule of subtraction. Now, let us see the rules for writing Roman numerals. Numerals I, X, C, M can be repeated up to 3 times. If a smaller numeral appears after a bigger numeral, then they are added. If a smaller numeral appears before a bigger numeral, then they are subtracted. If a smaller numeral appears in between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral just after it. Numerals V, L, D are never repeated and they are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Now, let us see how to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now, we are going to convert the Roman numeral CXVI into Hindu-Arabic numeral. For that, we have to write all the values. The value of C is 100. The value of X is 10. The value of V is 5. And the value of I is 1. Here, after 100, 10 is there, which is smaller than 100. Similarly, after 10, 5 is there, which is smaller than 10. Next, after 5, 1 is there, which is smaller than 5. We know that if a smaller numeral appears after a bigger numeral, they are added. So, add 100, 10, 5 and 1. Adding together, we will get 116. So, the answer is CXVI is equal to 116. Next, MXLIV. Write down all the values. The value of M is 1000. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of I is 1. And the value of V is 5. Here, 10 lies between 1000 and 50. If a smaller numeral appears in between two larger numerals, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral just after it. So, write 1000 and subtract 10 from 50. So, 50 minus 10. 1 is lesser than 5. So, subtract 1 from 5. So, 5 minus 1. Simplifying, we get 50 minus 10 is 40. 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 1000 plus 40 plus 4. Adding together, it gives 1044. So, the answer is MXLIV is equal to 1044. Next, we are going to convert Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. First, we are going to convert the Hindu-Arabic numeral 36 into Roman numeral. For that, expand 36 as 30 plus 6. We know that Roman numeral I, X, C and M can be repeated up to 3 times. So, in terms of Roman numerals, we can write 30 as 10 plus 10 plus 10. And we can write 6 as 5 plus 1. We know that the Roman numeral for 10 is X. So, X, 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 and the Roman numeral for 5 is V, and the Roman numeral for 1 is I. So, the Roman numeral for 36 is XXXVI. Next, we are going to convert the Hindu-Arabic numeral 2415 into Roman numeral. For that, expand 2415 as 2000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 5. In terms of Roman numerals, 2000 can be written as 1000 plus 1000. 400 can be written as 500 minus 100. The Roman numeral for 10 is X and the Roman numeral for 5 is V. The Roman numeral for 1000 is M. So, M, M. While subtracting, smaller numeral should come first. So, the Roman numeral for 100 is C and the Roman numeral for 500 is D. Next, X, V. So, the Roman numeral for 2415 is MMCDXV. Hope you all understood. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.